context, in English we have words for youngsters of any animal species, including humans, when the gender is irrelevant, not important. For example, a young human is called a child. That word doesn't specify whether the child is male or female, even though there are other words to specify that. For example, a male child is called a boy, a female child is a girl. But let's stay with general words that do not specify gender. So, for example, a child, a kitten, a puppy, a chicken, a duckling, a lamb, a calf, a foal, a piglet, a kid, young goat, a fawn, a young deer. Now there are similar words in Croatian, gender-unspecific, and with respect to these, I've had an epiphany. All of the words used to describe youngsters that are not yet adults are neuter words. And as you shall see from the list I'm about to present, that's indicated by the ending "e" on the word that's used. So, for example, a child, dijete, a kitten, mače, a puppy, štene, a chicken, pile, a duckling, pače, a lamb, janje, a calf, tele, a foal, ždrijebe, a piglet, prase, a kid, jare, and a fawn, lane. All of those words are neuter nouns. So, for example, putting them into practice in sentences, mače je tražilo majku. A kitten looked for its mother. Je tražilo is the neuter form of the past tense of the verb tražiti. Pile je bilo žuto. The chicken was yellow. Je bilo, neuter, past tense. Žuto, neuter, adjective. Ovo janje je jače od drugog janjeta. This lamb is stronger than the other lamb. Ovo janje, ovo, neuter, je jače, neuter, od drugog janjeta, genitive of the neuter drugo janje. Even the word for an egg can't get younger than an egg. Even the word for an egg is neuter. Jaje. So what about that? Until they've become adults, youngsters, linguistically at least, are gender neutral. There's a significant exception. The word for baby is beba, which is a feminine noun. So, for example, beba je velika. Even if the baby is a boy, the adjectives and the verbs, past tenses, are in the feminine form. Uvijek postoji iznimka, jel?